What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. You're with Kenan and Kim. So, how are you guys? It's been a very long time since our last video. I think about 8 months na since our last video. So, I think we owe you guys an explanation. Oh, nabay nagatang. Healer, no? But anyway, puwa kayo mata, babe.
Hindi lang kumapil.
Puwa bitaw. Okay naman siguro eh.
Hirap tingali. Amo na lang. Load na ko.
Okay, fine. So anyway, guys, it's been a very long time, but I wanna try and explain this. So guys, we just wanna be completely honest with you. We just lost our motivation last year to make videos and we were so lazy to do it. We were not happy. And so we're just doing this for fun, just as a hobby. And so we thought that if we weren't happy anymore, then we shouldn't be doing it. So we stopped, we took a break, and then it's actually March 2021 now. It's been so long, but we want to keep doing this. We want to move on to other content for you guys. And so I think there are so many fun topics to share with you guys here. But before we do that, we just want to finish what we started sa among last na video. It was really hanging. The last time you guys saw us was when we were in our hotel room in Manila. So here's what happened. Alright guys, we're on our way to the airport again. I just woke up. It's already 1 in the afternoon, but we've got our things ready and we're going.
Tanan makalupad karong gabi yun. So wala problema makalupad mo tanan. Tungod kay Malaysia sa gobyerno ang kada gabi inalan walay mabilin dinhi. Dili nga gusto, di namin gusto mutanaw sa inyo ang mga tao. Dili. Gusto namo nga inyo na makuyog ang inyo ang mga pamilya. So muna Malaysia karon. Mindanao ang landing sites nato or landing destinations o ang General Santos, Jensan, Davao o Cagayan de Oro. Kanang tulo, no? So, ang usa ka aeroplano mulanding sa tulo. Ora nga, katong mga pasahero na panalitan, paingon sa Osamis City, dili na taputog pa dito sa Osamis. At ito na sa Cagayan de Oro. Kaya maura man ay kinadulan. O katong mga taga Zamboanga, Zamboanga City, Pagadian, Dipolog, Butuan, Agusan, Surigao, dito manaugpod sa Cagayan de Oro. So yun na ang sistema din eh. Palihog kong timaan nga kung unsay inyo ang plano asa mo manaog, especially katong muadto sa Cotabato, kasagaran manaog sa Jensan, except kung gusto nimong magdabaw. So mo na nga gikinahanglan musulat mo din sa papel kung asa mo paingon. Tungod kay every hour starting mga alas 4 ganina, we have been sending this report to our regional offices dito sa mga lugar na mo'y basihan nila sa ilang pagplano sa pagtagbo ninyo. Ang pangutanan ninyo, unsay may tabo ninyo pag-abot dito. Inani ang sistema. Ang gobyerno nag-form og mga regional task forces. Kundiin ang mga ahensya sa gobyerno sa regions na pinabangay dito para maatendihan ang inyong mga kinahanglan. Sa kung sa orasa mo moabot dito, adunay mga ahensya sa gobyerno at the regional level na mutagpo sa inyo ha. Wala mo'y problema pag-abot ninyo dito. Example, pag-abot ninyo dito sa Cagayan de Oro, doon na instruction, doon na mutagpo sa mga taga-Osamis, sa mga taga-Pagadian, sa mga taga-Zamboanga City, para isakay mo dito sa sasakyan na paingon dito. Ang mga regional officials namo, Region 10 in this particular case, sa Cagayan de Oro o Region 9 ng Zamboanga Peninsula, nagsabot-sabot na sila kung unsaon pagtagbo sa inyo ha. Sa panahon karon, lisod mag-travel dito sa ubos kung walay assistance sa gobyerno tungod kay daghang restrictions ang mga provincial governments, regional officials. So managi mo sa gobyerno para ang inyong pagbiyahe dito unhampered, walay problema. You will be assisted by the government. Katong LGU ninyo dito, unsa panalitan taga-agusan, tagbuon mo dito sa Butuan. Muna'y isulti sa regional director nako dito. Okay? Karon, kung panalitan, maabot mo dito sa mga major destinations, Cagayan, Davao, ug Jensan, kung alangan ang oras, you can request na mag-hotel mo dito, care of OWA. Kung panalitan, takbuon mo sa inyong mga paryente. Ingnan ninyo inyong mga paryente na manangin dito sa inyong local government units para maibawa nila kung unsay mga pamaagi. Ayaw sila pagbiyahe-biyahe kung dili sila manangin. Because they will be advised, nagaan sila og abiso dito sa local government unit ninyo kung unsay pamaagi. Okay, ang sunod, unsay mga quarantine requirements sa inyong lugar. Dili na ko matubag specifically, but sa among kaagi din wala may mga quarantine na dito. Kung maabot mo sa Cagayan de Oro, diretso mo dadon sa Butuan. Pag abot dito sa Butuan, pick upon mo sa lungsod ninyo, o sa probinsya, pag abot dito sa lungsod ninyo, dito na tong mga palisiya sa atong mga mayor mag-apply. So, palihog ko pangutana sa inyong mga paryentes dito kung unsay mga palisiya dito sa inyong lungsod. Wala na ko kay baluan ng mga detalye. Okay? Magpaabot lang ta, doon ay panihapon ng ihatag sa OWA, doon ay merienda, doon ay tubig din ha, until the time na ubalin ta dito sa check-in area before you board. Kasagaran din ang flight will be at mga 10 o'clock tungod kay ato paaboton ang ato mga kauban pa na moabot pa din para mapuno ang eroplano po. Pero bisan kung dili mapuno ang eroplano, tungod kay ang palisiya sa gobyerno, kinahanglan ilupad mo tanan, bisan katunga ang eroplano, ilupad na to. You must remember that these flights ay chartered ni siya para sa OFWs, specifically sa inyo ha. Cebu, Tacloban, Iloilo, Bacolod, unang upat. So, ang Cebu, ang kanang mga Dumaguete, Bohol, gagmay raman ang pasahero god, manaog na sila sa Cebu. Pagkabot sa Cebu, the same practice, ang regional officials nato sa Region 7, tuwa dito magpaabot, kung sila mao'y magpahiluna sa inyo ha, kung saan ninyo pagsakay paingon sa Dumaguete. Okay, daghang salamat.
Pag yung mga gustong kumain doon pagkatapos yung mag-check-in, punta kayo doon sa may ng OWA, may pagkain doon na, tsaka tubig. Thank you.
Okay guys, it's 10:10 in the evening. We're already boarding. We're on our way to the airplane. So we're going to Iloilo, Bacolod, then Cebu, then Tacloban.
Moments later.
Mabuhay, Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Cebu. Yay! The time is waiting for the hour.
Sabi ko, doors will be open.
Okay guys, we just finished filling out the forms and everything. We are staying at Crown Regency Hotel in Guadalupe and we're gonna wait for our LGU Kuno to pick us up, which could take up to 5 days guys. Oh my gosh. So now we're gonna go take our bags and then we're gonna ride a bus to go to the hotel. It's already 4:45 in the morning guys and we're so tired, we're so hungry. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, we just got here inside the room. This is the room that they provided. There, all our things are there. We're so tired, oh my gosh. It's already 6:15 in the morning and we just we've been awake for about 24 hours now and we're just so tired. We're gonna update you guys later. We're gonna get some sleep first. Maybe we will eat. Wanna give me kasabot because nag-abot ang gutom, duka, kapoy, and everything. So we will update you guys later, maybe tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. Let's see. But we're here finally. We're in Cebu. Woo! Okay guys, so this is the accommodation that OWA gave us here in Cebu. So I want to start here at the hallway. As you can see, we're actually at Crown Regency in Guadalupe. So the hallway is quite creepy guys and we've heard that this place is haunted. We are in room 230, so come in. So this place is already quite old na guys. Not quite, it's very old na. Alright, so we're gonna start here guys. This is our restroom, or CR. It's very creepy also. So we brought our own toiletries because this is what they will give you guys here. This is only shampoo and a bar of soap. So that's what they will give you guys, that's all. So it's best to just bring your own toiletries. And then we have here, they still allowed us to stay together, but we have separate beds, but we usually just occupy just one bed. And then, yeah, very basic. As you can see here, guys, it's very old nigga because this is chipped off. Chipped off na gid siya. So then we have our things over here. We just put it there and some of our luggage here. So see, even their TV is very old na gid. Super. But the only thing that we really like about this room, guys, is that it has a mini balcony and it has a really nice view. Show them, baby. See? Yeah, so that's the only thing that I really like about this room, guys, because we've been stuck in hotels for so many days now and it's always air conditioned and we're not complaining because it's very comfortable, but sometimes murag lain na jud kay mong pamati sige mig aircon and we don't get to breathe fresh air, so this is a breath of fresh air. Yeah, and then here Kenan set up his little station. Are you seeing a pattern here, guys? So yeah, that's it for the room. It's very basic and very old and sometimes it's quite creepy, and you know, actually two of my friends already messaged me that this place is so creepy and haunted now, but you know, we don't, have we felt anything, babe? No? We didn't feel anything yet, so let's see. But yeah, I think it's okay. This is not a quarantine facility in Cebu. This is a temporary accommodation while we are waiting for our local government unit to pick us up. We've been here for 4 days now, so today is the 4th day. They said it will be a maximum of 5 days, so we're really hoping that they get to pick us up today or tomorrow because we can't wait to just really finally settle down. We've been transferring hotel after hotel after hotel, so we keep on unpacking and then packing again, so we just can't wait to just makasettle na gid me. So yeah, that's it, guys. Alright, what's up guys? Today is June 22nd. It's our 6th day here in Crown Regency in Guadalupe. And we're finally getting picked up by our local government unit. Woo! They're on their way here right now. And so, nag-ready na sa mga things. So yeah, we're ready to go. Finally guys, after so many days. And by the way guys, what we did was we really followed up with our LGU kay taga-OWA murag wala jud siguro nila gi-follow up and wala mi nila gi-endorse ito. That was their initial instruction, but amo jud silang gi-email ang katong taga Cordova na LGU. So we sent them an email Saturday night and then they replied this morning. So yeah, finally they're on their way. We'll update you guys more later. So ready na mo mga things guys. Here it is, and then here, and then some are here.
So guys, naabot na mong pick up and we're ready to go. So let's go!
So guys, that is all the footage that we could recover. But anyway, what happened after that was they told us that we were supposed to do home quarantine for 7 days, but they ended up telling us that we didn't have to do that because that was the protocol for the Cebu province where Cordova is a part of. And so I know that this information might not be relevant today anymore because it's been so long, but maybe some of the procedures are still the same, but I still advise you guys to check with the proper government agencies or the proper websites where you can have official information about what the current situation is like in the Philippines right now and what the actual protocols and procedures are. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We're gonna post a catching up video very soon. We wanna share a lot with you guys about what happened last year and just to summarize our whole absence to you guys basically. But it's been a crazy year and it's gonna get even crazier this year. So we hope to still have your support as we continue to make some new videos for you guys. And so yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. As always, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you guys on the next video.